Hi guys, so I didn't really make an intro for this video because I honestly thought this was just going to be a TikTok, but things happen, so you gotta do what you gotta do. Basically what I wanted to do is I had an iPhone 14 Pro Max. I love that phone, it's a great phone. Only issue is that it was just super freaking big and super heavy, and I would drop that phone all the time. It was annoying to look around with. I traveled to school a lot and used public transportation. Sometimes I had to pull out my phone to look up directions and stuff like that, and it was just a pain in the ass to hold the phone out of my pocket and then try to use it with one hand when I'm carrying something else with me. It was just not a fun time. It wasn't a fun experience. I had a Pro Max phone for about 2 years and I was just kind of like, I'm done with this. I'm done with this life. I wanted to get a smaller phone, which is why I decided to do this. I kind of enlightened myself when I actually went from an 11-inch iPad to a 12.9-inch iPad, and then I sold that iPad after 3 months, and now I have an 11-inch iPad again. I realized that I made a dumb mistake in getting the iPhone 14 Pro Max, and I should have just gotten the iPhone 14 Pro because it fits in better with my lifestyle. So that's it. That's the video. Enjoy the unboxing. Enjoy me being a fucking clown. Enjoy me being stupid and buying something and then regretting it. So enjoy this video, okay? That's it. Hi guys, so this is probably just gonna be a TikTok, so I'm not really going to do an intro, but basically what happened is I have an iPhone 14 Pro Max right now. The phone is fantastic. I love the phone. It's just too fucking big and too damn heavy. I swear, for some reason, the past two Pro Max phones have been so freaking heavy. It's just become a brick in my pocket. Like, this thing is so hard to shove in pockets. I swear to God, I drop this phone all the damn time. My hand cramps and then I drop it. I was just done with this life, so I decided to list this thing on eBay and then use the funds to buy an iPhone 14 Pro. And that's what happened. So this phone is going to be shipped off to sender on eBay. I got a good amount for it, so I'm very happy. So this upgrade isn't that much for me anyways. So it's an upgrade, it's a downgrade. I don't know what to say about it, but yeah, so that's my story. I even actually went as far as to get a cellular Apple Watch because I thought, you know what I can do? I can literally just get a cellular Apple Watch and then I can leave this phone at home more without me thinking that I have to pay $10 a month for the Apple Watch plan and pay $10 extra a month on my phone plan just so I don't use this damn phone. So I'm just thinking, why don't I just fucking get the smaller phone? So that's what we did today. So we went to the Apple store, we picked up some goodies. I got the iPhone 14 Pro in silver, 256GB. I'm so excited for this. I love that. I also traded in an Apple Watch. I had an old Apple Watch that I traded in. It was only worth $55, so I decided to use the funds from that to get this awesome case. It's a storm blue phone case, so we have an Apple silicone case. And I went to Marshall's and got a screen protector for this phone, which is actually kind of funny because this isn't even a screen protector for this phone. Technically, it's for the 13 Pro, but I mean, it's gonna fit, so. It was $450. At this point, I spent a lot of fucking money. I don't want to spend any more money, so let's get into it. Let's unbox this thing because I am so ready. Here it is in all her glory. Look at her. I even held the 14 Pro in store, and I was just like, this is it. This is my calling. I deserve to get the smaller phone because this phone is great. I have no complaints with this phone, which is why I'm upgrading now instead of waiting for the 15, because I didn't really explain this well in the video, but basically by selling the 14 Pro Max now, I will get the most amount of money for it versus if I were to sell it when the 15 Pro is coming out. And since the 14 Pro line is pretty much perfect for me, I felt that the 15 will only be slightly better, so why bother getting it if I like the 14 line so much? If that makes any sense to you guys. I like this phone. I only wish I could put this phone in a shrink ray and shrink it down to a 14 Pro size, but I can't do that. So we're just gonna do this. So let's open her up. So nice, so nice. And how it looks. Oh, okay. Wow. Look at her. Oh my God, she's so pretty. Look at this. Oh, she is. Oh, I'm so glad I got the silver, man. I love this color. Look at her. Ooh, and I love the silver sides too. Look at that. This is immediately so much lighter than this phone. Like, yeah, it's lighter, it's smaller. I like this. I like this one a lot. So here it is. You don't know what's in the rest of the box. Everyone knows what's in the iPhone box. The box doesn't matter, okay? Like, that doesn't matter. We're here for the phone. So let's do a little tour of her. Oh, she's so pretty. I love how you look. Oh my goodness. Oh, so pretty. Oh, this is so nice. I love holding in my hand already. This is like the perfect size. I'm so glad that I did this. I'm so glad that I did this. But we're gonna put this in a case right away. So let's open up. Fantastic. How do you do that here? Ooh, yeah, that's a pretty color. Nice color. Such a nice color. I need to see though, if I can. Oh, thank God. I have a MagSafe pop socket and I need it because I drop my phone a lot, but.
Thanks, Jack.
Perfect. Let's put her in the case. That looks cool. Look at her. My new phone. Oh my goodness, she's so pretty. Love it. So much lighter. I feel so free. Look at the size difference. So you can see the size difference. Brick, not brick. Brick, not brick. Let's turn her on for the first time. Oh, I'm so excited. It feels just so freeing in my hands. Like, I swear, I can use this phone and not feel like I'm using a brick. Hello! Oh my goodness, you're so pretty. Swipe up. Oh my God. Are you freaking kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? It's so nice to have a phone that I can use with literally, it's so nice. I'm so excited. So we're gonna do English, United States, and we're gonna do Quick Start because I don't have time. They're connecting. I'm so glad that I have the smaller phone now. So let's do this. Oh, I already typed on it. I love the typing experience. It's so much better. And we're setting up the iPhone. Oh my God, I'm so happy. I'm so freaking happy. I feel free. I have a phone that actually is a nice size for once. Y'all, if you've been thinking about it and jumping the fence, if you want to go down a phone size, just do it. I'm actually going to be able to hold my phone again. I'm actually going to be able to use my phone and like not feel like I'm going to drop it all the damn time. I can type with one freaking hand. This is what you need to do. You need to get the smaller phone. You need to get the smaller phone. I am a little bit sad to be giving up the big size phone just for watching content, but at the same time, I literally have an iPad. I literally have a MacBook. As you can see, the size difference is literally wild. Differences. Crazy. I am gonna miss this black color, but I like this color better. It looks classic. It looks cute. It looks stunning. Just give her a moment to shine. Look at that. Oh, so pretty. Let's swipe up. Ooh, Face ID. Restore complete. Okay, let's go. Welcome to iPhone. Let's go. We have the exact same layout as we did before. Beautiful. Fantastic. That is it for my iPhone 14 Pro unboxing experience, whatever. I'm so excited to have this phone. It's so pretty. It's gorgeous. Okay, let's just go. Bye.